So what kind of type should parsers have? Well, in lab I asked some of you to come up with an English sentence to describe parsers, and I've kind of amalgamated the results here. Parsers take words and stuff and turn them into program things sometimes. So let's turn this into a Haskell type. First we'll say the type of a parser equals, first thing we want to do is figure out what the closest Haskell equivalent to words and stuff is. And that'll be strings. So it takes a string. So it's turning something, so it's doing something, and the only way to do something in Haskell is with a function. And that turns them into programs, or program stuff. You really turn them into anything, so we're going to use a type variable. And now you should all realize, having used Haskell, you'll get parse errors. So it doesn't always work. So to capture that, when something doesn't always work, if we're being honest, we say maybe. Now, there's one, so this is a really good type for a parser, but there's one little addition that we'll add that makes this work very well in practice. And that's to, instead of parsing everything at the same time, we parse just the beginning and return the rest of the string, if we succeed. So this is the type of a parser. And we should get in the habit of going from these kind of type signatures to and from the English sentences that they correspond to. And just to reiterate, anything that looks like that can be a parser. If you can write a function that takes in a string, maybe does some processing, then it returns a result sometimes, as a parser. And at worst, you can always write out the function literally, though that tends to be inconvenient.